Ito na, 13 kami, 13. Next.
Contestant number 13.
What's up, everyone? My name is Risa Javier. I'm from Cebu, Philippines, and I'm now living in Riverside. Outside of music, I recently finished my second degree in business management, but singing has always been my first love. I started singing when I was just 2 years old, and from that moment on, music became a part of who I am. I mainly do covers focusing on traditional pop, vocal jazz, and adult contemporary. I've released 13 cover albums in the Philippines under the name
Nakalive ako eh.
and that journey has shaped me both as an artist and as a person. I've been honored to perform on stages and in hotels around the world, from South Korea to Jakarta, Indonesia, Krabi, Thailand, and back to my home country, Philippines, and now here in the United States. Every place, every audience has shaped the artist I am today. For me, music is a way to heal, to connect, and to bring people together. Every song I sing comes straight from
Makinig
my
yung
heart.
kandubo sa atin,
Something
Lisa.
my mom taught me growing up, and something I carry with me every time I perform. I'm incredibly excited to be here at Sparkle Season 10 Grand Finale. And huge thank
Grand
you to
finale
my
na to, grand
family and
finale. Nay,
friends
nay, nay,
for
nay,
all
nay.
the support. Let's go!
Kasama yan!
Ang galing eh, no? Woo! Ang galing eh.